Hi. Today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be explaining my opinion on the soon-to-be campsite pets. Here is a photo I took of the new pets Hee. Honestly, I think they may become an exotic or a cute pet in general. My opinion on the muskrat is that it looks like a chubby and chunky hamster, which is honestly so cute. I will be buying some for profit, of course, but it's actually so adorable. I at least hope the neon is adorable too. Hee. I hope you like it too. I quite like how cute the mooses are. I just hate how expensive they are, lol. But honestly, I don't really mind since I could always grow my inventory and trade for them. They are really cute though, hee. I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed.